Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring you have the necessary permissions and a clear intent. Make sure your account has alter or control on the table and create trigger rights. Next, pick the trigger type, after to enforce rules after the action, instead of to substitute behavior on views or complex operations. Once chosen, write a minimal trigger that inserts a single row into an audit table so you validate execution. Run it, check the audit row, and then iterate to add real business logic. Now implement the core logic while thinking set-based. Use the inserted and deleted virtual tables to handle multi-row operations, and write queries that operate on sets rather than row by row. Avoid cursors. They hurt performance and complicate locking. Also, keep the triggers work quick, no long-running external calls or UI waits. If you need complex processing, push it to a queue or background job and return immediately. Make sure to manage errors and use TRY, catch so you don't corrupt the calling transaction. Finish by thoroughly testing all paths, single row and multi-row DML, constraint interactions, and rollbacks. Deploy to staging with realistic load and monitor for locking or blocking. Use query stats to spot plan regressions caused by trigger work. If something goes wrong, first verify whether the trigger caused a transaction rollback, whether nested triggers or recursive trigger settings are enabled, and whether your logic assumes a single row context. Fix by isolating the failing statement, adding logging, and applying the minimal corrective change.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.